What you doing? Good job. Are you going to take it with you to play with other toys?
She needs like a shopping cart.
Yeah. Stand up and push it.
Or she needs something that has a lid that she can put stuff in and then close. Didn't you guys have something like that? Like a little...
I don't know.
I think it was something you could ride.
Thank you.
And then you could put stuff in the seat.
Thank you. Here, Caitlin. That's the wrong way, goofy girl.
Here you go. You know that's for hanging on. You're just not quite sure how to do it, huh?
Okay. You want me to help you? Okay. Here, come around. Come around. Good job. Good job. Good girl. No. That's been off for a while.
Yeah. Are you taking it all over? Huh? Okay, here. Oh. Here you go.
Gonna go that way. She has a long way to go. Here, let's go this way.
It's just an obstacle.
There you go. There you go.